if y is equal to sin x, then we know that the differential coefficient of sin x dy by dx is cos x. dy by dx is cos x. And how about writing into d by dx of x? You can always write, because d by dx of x is 1. So now what I will do is, I will write a list of all the standard functions with d by dx notation. Along with that, I will also write d by dx. This list is very important. This is f of x and this is f dash of x. If sin x is the function, then the differential coefficient of sin x is cos x into d by dx of x. Then for cos x, sin x into d by dx of x minus sin x into d by dx of x. If y is equal to tan x, then secant square x along with that d by dx of x. Then secant x, then we have secant x into tan x with d by dx of x. Cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x into d by dx of x. For cot x, minus cosecant square x into d by dx of x, where x is the basic function. Now I will continue this list with other algebraic functions also. If y is equal to e to the power of x, then the differential coefficient of e to the power of x is e to the power of x itself along with d by dx of x. If y is equal to log x, the differential coefficient of log x is 1 by x with d by dx of x. And if y is equal to root of x, then the differential coefficient is 1 by 2 root x into d by dx of x. I will write some more functions on the right side so that I keep this center region, center place for doing problems. And the next is, if we have a to the power of x as f of x, then f dash of x is a to the power of x into log x into d by dx of x. X to the power of n. If f of x is x to the power of n, then we know that the answer is n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of x. And if we have the function as sin inverse x, then answer is 1 by root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of x. If y equals cos inverse x, answer is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of x. If y equals tan inverse x, answer is 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of x. If y equals cosecant inverse x, minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 into d by dx of x. If y equals secant inverse x, then 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 into d by dx of x. And lastly, if y equals cot inverse x, minus 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of x. So here also I have written some functions along with d by dx of x notation. When you do the differentiation along with d by dx of notation, then the differentiation is called as differentiation of composite functions. Now, most important thing is how to use this d by dx of x component for the problems. I will show it in the problem sessions.